Well, I'm Louise Mathias, and I'm passionate about empowering lawyers, barristers, and leaders just like you. Let me ask you, are you feeling overwhelmed, fearful, unsure about how to navigate high conflict personalities, how to overcome perfectionism, how to say no and not feel guilty, how to live by your values, and how to stop the habit of people pleasing? That sounds like you. We've got the answers that you've been looking for. Join our transformative speaking series, From Burnout to Empowerment, tools or lawyers, leaders, barristers need in their survival kit. And I will equip you with practical tools that will help you go from burnout to empowerment. Practical tools that you can put into practice from the get-go. Now, what happens if you decide not to attend? Well, attempting to overcome these very common challenges and trying to do it on your own through trial and error will be very costly. Time, it'll cost you a lot of time. It will cost you profits, and it will cost you stress. And it will be much more difficult than coming and learning how to overcome these challenges with others. So I really highly recommend you attend this event, because you don't have to face these challenges alone. Plus, many people want the changes, but they don't know how to make those changes. Come and you'll find out. You'll learn the tools about mindset, career, leadership, practice, and also how to make those personal changes. There's other compelling reasons for you to attend, but you'll only uncover them for yourself by attending all of the presentations in the series, or picking the ones that resonate with you the most. Make sure you seize this amazing opportunity. It's time for transformation. It's time for you to take the plunge, stop sitting on the fence, and discover the life, both personal and professional, that you deserve. Enroll today.